You know, for years I had developed a system around training what in the beginning was meant to be small business owners at how to do things better, more effectively, more efficiently in QuickBooks, or how to do them at all. You know, sometimes people would call me up and say, hey, I have no idea how to do anything. I'm not a bookkeeper, but I can afford a bookkeeper, so I'd like to get some training. And so for years, and over the years, I evolved a system where I log in remotely and help people one-on-one. And then the time came, seemingly I woke up, I think it was about 2 years ago as of the time I'm recording this, where I woke up and I said, you know, I'm doing all this training, I'm helping all these people. And of course I had consulting clients always on the side, you know, at least enough to keep me fresh and keep me on top of the latest and greatest, the newer versions of QuickBooks, what have you. I wouldn't be an effective trainer if I wasn't able to work really hands-on with real live client data. So I always made sure I had that, but I said, why not make an effort, make a go at creating a real serious consulting vertical within my own company? I'm teaching people the skills needed to do it, because then bookkeepers and accountants started asking me for help. So I was teaching them how to do this stuff. Why not do it for myself? And so I started building an outline for how I would go about doing this, and then it hit me. I said, why not invite accountants and bookkeepers along for the ride? And I took a certain risk. I said, I'm going to build this plan for how to grow and scale a consulting business, and then I'm going to teach people that plan literally as I go, as I'm doing it. And that's how 97 and Up, which I'm now calling the Accounting Business Academy, my 97 and Up project, that's how that was born. And then I said, let me see if people would be interested. And I sent out a message to a whole bunch of people and laid out the plan, told them what I was looking to do, went out honestly and said, I haven't built this yet, I'm looking to. And if you're willing to come along for the ride, I'm willing to take you along for $97 a month. And then I started thinking about what I could add in value-wise. So I said, let's do 2 weekly calls, 2 weekly webinars where we can address your questions. And now that's evolved to where one of the calls each week, we're doing a book study, diving deep into a really, really important skill for growing any business, let alone accountants and bookkeepers, which is on how to write copy. So it's evolved quite a bit. We've got well over 100 episodes published from these twice weekly calls. And of course the core course itself, where the content creation portion is almost completely delivered. I'm like a lesson and a half away from the completion of delivering that section of the course. And then we get on into the marketing parts. Now that you know how to create content, we have to bring the audience in. We have to start using social media, and we have to start learning how to network the right way in social media to start bringing those people in, to get them exposed to our content so that then they might get interested in hiring us. So I'm literally walking you through every step of the whole process from the ground up, how to build your business. We start with a financial plan, and we actually come through all the marketing process, the content creation, practice management, how to manage clients, how to onboard clients, everything all the way back to the end where I come full circle and say, remember that business plan we created for your business, for your accounting practice at the beginning? Now we're going to show you how to take what you did for yourself and turn it into a service that you can offer your clients, because it's the most valuable service I offer to my clients is cash flow projections and basic financial modeling, building a financial model that shows you here's what we expect to make so that I can compare that with the actuals as they come in each month. And that's how we make sure that we stay on course with our plan. Remember, it's always make the plan, execute the plan, expect the plan to go off the rails, which is where the variance analysis comes in, because the variance analysis shows us if and when the plan has or is going off the rails, so that now we can take the time to figure it out before it becomes a real problem and correct it and get back on course with reaching our original plan, or maybe a newer revised one. These things are ongoing, organic, breathing, ever-changing. So that's the point. You can't just create a plan in January and revisit it in December. That's what Accounting Business Academy and 97 and Up is all about. Let's see what some of the existing members have to say.